If you've ever dreamed of living on a stunning riverfront estate, surrounded by vineyards, mountains, and rolling meadows while operating an award-winning winery, Red Lily Vineyards is your dream come true. Every detail of the winery has been carefully considered in order to create a one-of-a-kind experience for guests. Whether they're at the winery to taste wine and enjoy the incredible views, for a business meeting in the conference room, or a wedding in the pole barn. The tasting room, which opened in August 2011, is a beautifully unique structure designed to complement the estate's historic barn. Inside, the vaulted, log beam ceilings, concrete floors, tall windows, and stacked river rock fireplace create a bright, airy, and comfortable space for guests to relax and enjoy. Connected to the tasting room by an enclosed breezeway is the estate's historic pole barn. The barn was a natural inspiration for the winery's architectural design. It was transformed into an incredible space for guests to enjoy while visiting Red Lily. The estate's two vineyards are focused heavily on Spanish grape varieties that are well suited to the Applegate Valley soil, climate, and elevation. The state-of-the-art 5,200 square foot winery facility, built in 2011, contains a fermentation room with 6 stainless steel wine tanks, barrel storage room, cold storage room for case goods, exterior covered crush pad, and a conference room. Red Lily offers much more than just a business. It's a lifestyle that allows the owner to share in a rich culture of agriculture and ranch life, while also operating an award-winning winery. With more than 250 acres, it's a place to relax and enjoy. It's where gentle breezes from the mountains will refresh you in the summer, where you can saddle up a horse and ride for hours, or where you can cast a line along your 3,300 feet of exclusive Applegate River frontage. The main home is located on a private knoll overlooking the river, lush irrigated pastures, and the beautiful mountains in the distance. The estate's main residence is a 4,470 square foot American cedar shingle style home with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a gourmet kitchen, two fireplaces, and 600 square feet of stunning outdoor living space. The second residence is the classic farmhouse and features an 1,800 square foot floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Remodeled in 2012, the home has lovely craftsman-style details. The estate also includes a historic hay barn, horse barn, and multiple ranch buildings for storage and equipment. Red Lily has incredible potential for expansion in hospitality, event hosting, and wine. Approximately 90 acres of water rights for vineyard expansion and other agriculture. Another home site with river frontage may be possible as well. Located in the Applegate Valley of Southern Oregon, the opportunity of a lifetime awaits.